Finds out the challenge, and then Malumbu dispossesses him, and Onumwingie could pinch it here, and he has!
I know things haven't been great in the Premier League for you.
I think everybody knows the result in the Premier League wasn't the best, and everybody wants to be high in the league table, but few games we were unlucky and we couldn't get what we deserve in the game, but now still 4 games to play, and just looking for the next game. That is Norwich, and is the most important game for us now, and try to get so many points we can, and try to get high in the league table.
Off the post from Suarez, now it's in. Martin Skrtel with the equaliser.
Success breeds success. To win a second cup final this season, that would set you up nicely for next season, wouldn't it, for the start?
We'll see what happens after summer. If we can get a cup, it can be the nice finish of the season, and then after the new season we'll start thinking after the holiday. So now we keep focusing for the 4 games left.
And just that